Well, you heard that. You heard that speech. You're free to draw your own conclusions. We move on. For the first time in India's history, an independent committee set up by a state legislature, in this case the Delhi Assembly, has recommended a whopping 400% hike in the salaries of MLAs. But even though the MLAs technically have nothing to do with the sympathetic view taken by the panel, their decision has sparked a controversy. Many public-spirited commentators have decried the unfairness of the award. The first opposition is on the grounds that the hike is not in consonance with industry average, that a 400% hike for the Aam Aadmi employed in the private sector is virtually unheard of. He will never get it. Another group feels that Neta's salary is not linked to performance, that more often than not their performance is underwhelming. Their participation in their respective legislatures is at best tepid. What do the Netas have to say? We'll ask them right after this news report.
A man priding himself to be India's first Aam Aadmi CM may soon be at the helm of the largest ever pay hike to MLAs in the country.
50,000 rupees salary, 50,000 constituency allowance, and 70,000 rupees for secretarial assistance and all that.
You heard it right. The independent panel set up to review the salary structure of Delhi's MLAs have recommended a massive 400% hike, and they did not stop there.
Office rental ke liye 25,000, conveyance allowance 30,000.
It is salary only which goes to the house of the MLA. Allowances are not for MLAs. Allowances are for his work in his constituency or her constituency.
It was almost 2 months ago that the group of AAP MLAs approached the Delhi government seeking a review of their salaries and allowances, and a sympathetic panel has obliged. The opposition terms it to be sheer hypocrisy.
सैलरी हाइक के मामले में तो सबसे बेहतरीन काम किया है सरकार ने कि स्वतंत्र लोगों की कमेटी बनाई। अब वो कमेटी रिकमेंड कर रही है, उस रिकमेंडेशंस पे जो भी डिसीजंस लेने होंगे वो सरकार अल्टीमेटली फिर जनता के हित को, हक को ध्यान में रखते हुए ले लेगी।
आम आदमी पार्टी का जो इंडिसिप्लिन है उसको कवर अप करने के लिए ये सैलरी एनहांसमेंट हो रहा है।
तो आम जनता के लिए अभी तक तो कुछ आम जनता को मिला नहीं 7 महीने के अंदर, और उस सैलरी को बढ़ा करके हमारा तो यही कहना है कि यही आम आदमी इसी तरीके से काम करते हैं क्या?
एक सफाई कर्मचारी को आत्महत्या करनी पड़ी कि उसको सैलरी नहीं है। यहाँ पर विधायक अपनी अपनी सैलरी 400% ज्यादा बढ़ा रहे हैं। ये कहाँ का इंसाफ?
A 400% pay hike is unheard of in these times of recession and austerity. But while Delhi's lawmakers may justify their self-appraisal, the question remains whether they have done enough to deserve it. With Vandana Sebastian in New Delhi, Bureau Report, NewsX.
Well, let's throw this open. Raghav Chadha of the Aam Aadmi Party with us, as also RP Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Raghav Chadha, I just want to ask you, how do you respond to this 400% hike proposed by a pay panel that has been set up by the Speaker of the Delhi Assembly? Is this justifiable? Will your government outrightly reject this proposal?
2 minutes of uninterrupted time. After that, you're free to ask any questions or go to other panelists. Point number one, for the first time in the history of independent India, an independent panel was constituted to decide the pay hike or the upward revision, downward revision in the pays and the allowances of elected representatives. We live in a country where there are strange norms, where judges appoint the judges, where MLAs, MPs declare and decide on their own salaries. For the first time, and as per the recommendations given by Somnath Chatterjee when he was the Lok Sabha Speaker, a new beginning has been made in the interest of property and propriety. This panel that has luminaries like P.D.T. Achari, the former Secretary General, like Balraj Malik, the famous Supreme Court lawyer, and K.V. Prasad, the celebrated journalist, gave some recommendations. I have not seen the report. The report has not reached the government of NCT of Delhi. Once the report reaches the government of the NCT of Delhi or the Salary Allowances Committee of the Delhi Vidhan Sabha, it is only then somebody can form an opinion and comment. That's point number one. Point number two, there are two types of politicians in this country. One are those who are corrupt, who buy their tickets, consider that as an investment.
No, stick to the point. Raghav Chadha.
Consider that as an investment and want to solicit return on investment. I am sticking to the point. Let me complete. Do not interrupt. I am making an important point. Let me complete, please. I will not interrupt when anyone else will speak. An independent, yes, and there are corrupt politicians who take bribes, who do scams like Colgate, 2G, CWG, etc. For them, buying a ticket and then seeking return on investment is the model that they operate on. For us, for MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party who come from meager backgrounds, they have to do sustainable, honest politics. And if you want honest politics in this country, you want alternative politics in the country, you have to give meager resources for them to operate in their own constituency.
Look, Raghav Chadda,
right now
we are not impractical. No, 1 second. Raghav Chadda, you see, no one is impractical here. No, 1 second. Let's, you give me 40 points. No, let's listen to some counter attacks.
I am making my last point. Let me, no. It's important. It is important. We can, just let me complete one more point. After that, you can go to the BJP spokesperson. Since the judiciary, the executive, and now the legislature declare and discuss their pay hike, etc., the fourth estate, that is the media, must also talk about it. How much do you get paid? What is your salary? Let's make it public. You talk about probity, propriety. How much do you get paid? If our MLAs get 1/5 of the amount that Rahul Shivshankar earns, what is the problem? Their job is also to, if you consider that a public service. So
I'll tell you what the problem is. Since you want to know so enthusiastically, let me tell you what the problem is. Let me tell you, let me elucidate now, and you can correct me, sir. While you can sit here tonight and lecture us on how much other people in the private sector are earning, but take a few pauses for the causes. Now listen, first and foremost, all of us, sir, in the private sector, 1 second, all of us in the private sector are praised independently of our own selves. There are structures that have been set up officially to appraise our performance. This is an audit that is conducted on a yearly basis without fear or favor. No, 1 second, let me tell you. Where is the audit that is conducted, sir, independently by an authority? Tell me.
Without fear or favor.
No, tell me.
My point is,
how
much do you
audits you? No, who audits you?
Let us set this
No, I'm
matter straight
asking
on
you.
this
1
channel.
second, I'm
How
asking
much
you.
do
Don't
earn?
make this about
What
me.
is your,
I'm
what
asking
is
you a
your
question.
monthly income? What is there to hide?
Raghav Chadda,
No, disclose your
Raghav
monthly
Chadda,
income.
I'm
No.
asking you a question.
No, let's make it
I'm asking you a
about a
question.
journalist
Don't divert.
who
You see,
represents
you can
the fourth
easily
estate,
shoot the
who
messenger,
talks about
but
probity,
I'm
propriety, and
subjected. No, 1 second, sir.
who
I am
considers
subjected.
himself as... No,
Raghav
I'm not
Chadda,
shooting.
don't lose
it is
the plot.
a very valid debate.
Don't
it is
do
not
a
about you.
disservice to yourself tonight.
It is not
I'm
about
only
you.
asking
But
you,
how much
where
money
in
do
the
you earn?
private sector
1/10 the money
is
should be given
anyone
to an
getting a
elected representative.
400% hike,
If he is
sir?
earning 12,000 rupees,
Rahul,
you get 12 lakh rupees, both of them are doing public service. Is that a
1
comparison?
second. Raghav Chadda, where in the private sector amongst the Aam Aadmi Party is anyone getting a 400% hike? I got a 25% hike. Am I less deserving? I don't know. Maybe I am.
Yes. So
Maybe I'm a duffer.
Yes,
but my question to you is
the amount.
400%
Let's talk
hike.
about the amount.
I'm
Let's
asking
talk
you,
about
sir.
the amount.
400%
don't go
hike.
into percentages.
No, I'm asking you. A
Don't try to
400%
confuse
hike,
your
sir.
viewers. Don't
Where
try
are
to-
400%
don't try
hikes
to
given?
mislead.
Which
Don't try to
industry?
mislead.
I'm asking you, which
You are
industry?
misleading.
Which industry, sir?
I am saying
which
this
industry?
on this channel. I will tell you. I will tell you.
Tell me.
Yes, I will
400% hike.
I will answer. I will answer.
Answer.
I will answer. Yes, you are misleading. I will answer, Rahul, only if you take a pause. Yes, Rahul, you are misleading your audience by using this figure as 400%. Let's talk about the amount. First of all, this recommendation has not been made by the government, my chief minister, or by my MLAs, or by my party. An independent panel, as you said, an audit panel has been set up. That's point one.
No,
point
that's not an audit panel.
Point number two.
It's not an audit.
Now hold on.
I'm asking
point number
you.
two. If you think, no, let me, Rahul, please let me complete. Please let me complete. Yes. Now my question is very simple, Rahul. You are the fourth estate. You are the conscience keeper. You talk about probity, propriety, transparency, and when the executive, the legislature, the judiciary, everybody has to go through this, why don't you disclose your money?
I'll tell you.
How
There's
much
a
do
difference.
you earn? Let's
No,
take
I'll tell you.
1/10
No,
of
1
that
second.
amount and give it to
Look,
the
this is an
ordinary elected
argument.
representative
This is an
who wants to do sustainable, honest politics.
Mr.
What is the difference?
Raghav Chadda,
What is the difference?
One
You
second.
serve the,
I'll tell
you serve the people, they serve the people.
I am not mandated to serve anybody,
Why are you
sir.
afraid?
I am only mandated to serve the interest of the truth and the facts. Please, I am not elected, neither do I take the money from the taxpayer.
Yes,
no
then you
one
are doing public
subsidizes me.
service.
No, I don't get
You must
free
disclose.
electricity. I don't get free car services. I don't get fuel. I don't get water. I don't
Nobody
get a
gets free
government
electricity.
house. I don't
Nobody
get a
gets that.
secretary. I don't get
Nobody
2
gets
cars.
that.
I don't get
Nobody
pilots.
gets
I
that.
don't get escorts.
You
I
are-
don't
you
get
have a
PSOs.
misconception.
And I certainly don't
Somebody-
earn 1 rupee.
somebody is feeding you
I
wrong
don't
information.
earn 1 rupee, sir, from the
Yes.
public exchequer. So I'm not answerable. But
You-
you are
you are-
answerable
you are-
because
you are
you
getting wrong
represent the
information.
public. No, please.
Di-
Let's get to the
disclose your-
facts. You
disclose
represent
your
the
monthly
public.
pay-
You are answerable
Disclose
for
your
every
monthly-
rupee.
Take home. No, let's conclude
No, I'm
this
asking
debate.
you, a
Let's
basic
conclude
pay
this
hike of
debate here.
400%.
How much do you earn?
I asked you a
1/10th the
simple
amount,
question.
1/15th the amount.
I'm asking you.
1/20th the amount can be given
Mr.
to an
Raghav
elected
Chadha.
representative. What do you think?
Mr. Raghav
What,
Chadha.
in your view, should be
Mr.
given?
Raghav Chadha.
What percentage of your salary should be given to an elected
Mr. Raghav Chadha, I pay my
5%?
taxes. I pay 30% tax. I pay my
No, answer
taxes.
this, no.
I pay surcharges. I pay cesses. I do my public
Everybody,
service.
all elected
1 second.
representatives pay
I'm
their
asking you a
taxes, Rahul.
question. I'm asking you a question.
Somebody is feeding you wrong information.
Mr.
Every
Raghav
elected
Chadha.
representative pays his or her taxes.
I asked you.
Everybody pays income
I
tax.
asked you a simple
Everybody
question.
pays indirect tax. Everybody
Raghav
pays
Chadha.
wealth tax. You are not the only person. You are not the only person in this country who pays income tax.
Raghav Chadha, if you finished making this about me, you're not fooling anybody. Okay, by making this about me. I'm only asking you a simple question.
No,
And you told me which
it's
industry.
a very valid point.
Raghav
You are not
Chadha,
answering.
I only asked you a simple
You're not
question.
answering.
I only asked you a simple question. Simple question. If you have the answer, give it. If you don't waste the viewer's time.
Yeah.
Which industry has given a 400% hike on basic salaries? Name me one. Name me one.
Okay, I will answer that. I will answer that. Now give me 30 seconds and I won't ask for more. You, by asking this question, you are misleading your viewers and spreading misinformation. The basic salary of an elected representative in Delhi is 12,000 rupees. The last revision took place in 2011. If you think that an MLA, a representative of people, can run his office, can make his household run, can give education, healthcare, etc. To his family in 12,000 rupees, then I don't know by what
There are
standard do
perks
you
also.
live. Why don't you disclose
Conveyance
your
allowance.
salary and end this debate?
We've
How much
come-
do you
we've
earn?
come
What
back-
is your
we've
basic?
come back to the
What
same
is your
point.
basic salary?
Okay, so
what
you're
is
proving-
your basic salary?
Okay,
Let's
Mr.
take 5%
Raghav
of your
Chadha.
basic salary.
Mr.
You are
Raghav
hiding your
Chadha.
salary. Make it public.
Mr. Raghav
Make
Chadha.
it public, sir.
One
Don't confuse the
Mr.
people
Raghav
by saying
Chadha.
400%.
Mr.
Give them
Raghav
the
Chadha.
amount. Give the people the amount. Don't give
Mr.
them
Raghav Chadha.
400%.
Mr. Raghav Chadha, it's an immature argument that you're extending. It's a very immature argument. Nonetheless, we will take it at face value. If you believe that the allowances
It's an immature
that you were
debate to
given,
begin with.
it's an
It's an immature debate to
if
begin
your
with,
allowances
and you are
of
concealing
office
facts.
rent, communication allowance, conveyance allowance, daily allowance, one-time allowance for furnishing, subsidy of 4,000 for electricity, several things are there. This is not just an independent basic pay hike.
What does this report say?
Let me get RP Singh in.
You are misleading.
I'm
You
not
are
misleading,
spreading
sir. I'm only
misinformation.
quoting.
And
I'm
that too
only quoting.
deliberately. You are deliberately spreading wrong information. You are misleading your viewers. This is grossly inappropriate, incorrect. What does the report say? Report talks about basic salary. Why don't you talk about the figures?
I'm telling you the
An
figures.
elected
They are all on
representative
the
gets
bottom of your
rupees
screen.
12,000 rupees
Perhaps
a
you have
month.
not noticed.
What is your basic salary, Rahul?
Sir, perhaps you have not. Perhaps you have not.
Can a person
we're
running
back,
household
we are back to my
12,000
basic
rupees a
salary.
month?
This is
that
the
what you're
response
talking
that
about?
we get from our elected representatives who want to make this about everyone else except for themselves. Okay, fair enough. I just
gave
want to
you
bring
all
in
the
RP Singh.
responses. If you want
RP
to
Singh,
question-
I
No,
want
no,
to
no,
ask
no.
you. The
If you
Bharatiya
want to
Janata Party
question-
has 3
if you want to-
MLAs.
one
One
point,
second.
one point.
I
If
want to
you
bring in
want to
RP
question-
Singh.
if
RP
you
Singh,
want
the
to question
Bharatiya
the
Janata Party.
proposed hike-
One second. Mr. Chadha, 1 second, calm down. Please, let me bring in the other. He listened to you very calmly. 1 second. RP Singh, I want to ask you, sir. You have 3 legislators in the assembly. Will you all accept the recommendations of this panel? Satish Upadhyay says that there is no need to accept the recommendations of this panel. It's an extortionist recommendation. It is putting a lot of pressure on the paying public who will have to subsidize from their own hard-earned taxes this sort of jump in salaries. So I'm asking you, RP Singh, will your BJP MLAs all welcome this proposal, or will you stand up in the assembly and say it's too much?
Our state president has made the stand clear that we are against the salary hike. But let me clarify to Mr. Raghav Chadha 2 points. He has been raising 2 points categorically. What is the basic salary? What is the amount the MLA take home and all? And about Mr. Kejriwal's corruption. I mean, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are not corrupt and Mr. Kejriwal is not corrupt. Let me put it point blank to Mr. Raghav Chadha. Mr. Kejriwal was poaching the Congress MLA on communal lines. What can be the bigger corruption than this? I don't know what was the amount. No, please. Because he said, he raised the correction of, we are not corrupt. They are the most corrupt in the system. And they have to still come clean on the onion scam. They still have to come clean on the onion scam. They made a huge money in that scam. So, Mr. Raghav Chadha, you speak and never uttered a word. Please have patience. And secondly, the total package which an MLA take home is almost ₹1 lakh a month. And now he will get something like ₹4 lakh a month. And he says he has to take care of the medical allowances. I've been an MLA. The medical allowances are being paid by taken care of the government of India or government of Delhi itself. So don't give all that. So issue is that you are not an Aam Aadmi party anymore. Before that, you for everything you used to go for a Mohalla Sabha. Now you have formed a committee to suit you. Can you go for a Mohalla Sabha and hold something 200 Mohalla Sabhas in city and say that we will take something like ₹4 lakh per month as MLA salary and then let's see what people respond.
Now, Rahul
I'll appreciate, record all that and show it to media. What the public has to say when you are going to hike your salary to 400%.
He's asked you only a few questions. Go ahead.
May I respond?
I have still a lot of left with me.
Yes, no, I don't. Mr. R.P. Singh is probably unaware of the. Mr. You should first, before having a debate, you should have read the report, Mr. R.P. Singh. And what does this report suggest? If you have a copy of that, if you have seen the press conference, the people who are on that panel have only spoken about only a couple of elements in the total salary. They are not talking about every expense or every allowance that you are mentioning on this channel. So please stop spreading false rumors. Point number one. Point number two, for anybody to show a headline or a breaking news that 400% hike, 4 times the amount of salary is a very misleading headline. Break it down into figures and compare it with your salary and see whether an elected representative can lead his life with ₹12,000. He is an elected representative.
Did we ask you to join politics, Raghav Chadha? Did I ask you to join politics?
Point number one. Point number two. Very important point.
Why are you getting into politics? Don't stand for office.
I am answering that.
53,000 rupees.
I am answering.
Don't make a virtue out of a necessity.
I am answering.
Don't make a virtue out of a necessity.
I am answering.
Plus lot of other allowances which you are not mentioning. Mr. Raghav Chadha, don't mislead by 12,000 rupees.
Before they begin with sermons, let me answer Rahul Chief Shankar's question.
You are no more a Aam Aadmi party. You are a Khas Aadmi party who needs special packages for your MLAs. Because you want to keep your MLAs together. You have to keep the flock together and you have to retain the MLA together. You are doing this. It's a bait to MLAs to keep the flock together. Because today, one by one, your MLAs will start deserting you.
Calm down. Rahul, may I please respond?
Please,
You've asked me a question without giving me an opportunity to respond.
Go ahead. I have not stopped you.
Now you see, there are two types of politicians in this country. There are two types of politicians in this country. The first type who buy a ticket.
One is Mr. Kejriwal who keep lying and who keep spreading lies and
Colgate, who do 2G Ghotala, who do Commonwealth Games, etc. The other is a person, a rickshawala who becomes an MLA, who has meager sums of money, who has to run his constituency office, who talks about honest politics, who wants to establish alternative politics, who wants sustainable idealism and sustainable honest politics.
What honesty are you talking about? You have left us no rights to talk about honesty. Onion scam, Mr. Raghav Chadha, Mr. Kejriwal.
One at a time, gentlemen, one at a time. One at a time. Mr. R.P. Singh, one second, sir. Mr. R.P. Singh, let's listen to Raghav Chadha. Let's listen to his explanations. Yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead, Raghav Chadha.
Yes, Mr. Shiv Shankar, as I said, that on the other hand, you have honest politicians who come from humble backgrounds with meager resources. Many of our politicians have less than 1 lakh rupees as their total net worth. I mean, a rickshawala becoming an MLA, he needs some money to sustain and run his constituency offices, etc. Therefore, I am not the one, or my party is not the one which has made this recommendation. There are eminent people, luminaries like PDT Achari, like KV Prasad, which I'm sure you know of, are the ones who are in this panel. If you want to question this, invite them to your debate. You have a wrong spokesperson to answer this question. But on the larger point, on the larger point that you have raised, let me complete, Mr. Singh. Calm down.
Please.
Calm down. On the larger point, Rahul, that you have raised, which I think a healthy debate should happen across the country on this, that if an honest elected representative is getting a salary, what is the salary that other elected representatives, judges, executive and media persons like yourself are getting? Let us draw a comparison. You are doing public service, we are doing public service. Let's draw a comparison. Should we be entitled to 1/10th the amount that you earn? Should we be entitled to 1/50th the time that you earn?
Raghav Chadha, gentlemen, 1 second. Gentlemen,
run big
1 second.
Run big
1 second, 1 second. I think
earnings of an AP MLA.
Okay.
Run this on your channel.
Okay. Raghav Chadha, I think you're confusing two issues. Unfortunately, sir, just for your information, we're not a government channel. We're not subsidized by taxpayer money, and neither do we do the government's talking, right?
But you
so
talk
when,
about
no, one
probity.
second. Well, let me
You talk
finish.
about
Now, you see,
propriety.
why either you keep shouting me down,
You are the force.
either you keep shouting me down, please, or you listen to what I have to say, because I'm wrapping up this. It's a view.
Please go ahead.
It's a view. You've asked me a couple of questions in hindsight. Let me just answer them. I think you've confused the roles. It's politicians such as yourself who stand for office. You're paid by the exchequer. You need to account for every rupee that you spend or don't spend or earn or what have you. I'm not obliged to do any of that.
Yes.
If you do feel so, file an RTI.
Yes.
And because we're not a state-funded organization, we're not obliged to answer you. But that's not the question. The question here is, who in the world today, in the India of today,
first of all,
is giving them...
yes,
I'm wrapping this up,
is
sir.
that
If it's not making sense
everybody
to you,
who talks about probity, propriety,
Mr. Chadha,
who is, no, let me make
if
this
it's
point.
not making
you
sense
you
to
are
you,
the fourth estate. When you question the
I
legislature,
can only say
you question
tonight,
the judiciary, you
Mr.
question the
Chadha,
executive,
on the
it is
point of
important to
probity,
question the fourth
Mr.
estate also.
Mr. Chadha, please, calm down, sir. Please, there are other voices. Please, sir, calm down. 2 seconds. Give someone else a chance. You shouted down RP Singh. You're going to shout me down, but just 2 seconds. With all humility, sir. With all humility, Raghav Chadha, with all humility, please, Raghav Chadha, with all humility. Let me wrap up this debate. It's been a frightfully informative debate, but I just want to say a couple of things. Number one, which one sector across the country is giving a hike in basic pay terms of 400%? This particular panel has recommended a hike of 400%. And it's at some level or the other surprising, because it's not happening across industries. We're leaving it at that. These are the points that have to be pondered. Who holds these netas accountable? Who determines if they're actually performing in office? A large number of them don't even show up in the legislatures. That's the fundamental point. And we move on, because the next debate is also connected in some ways. The BJP's ideological fountainhead, the Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh, or the RSS, has called out Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi for skipping Parliament. It's not just that. Its mouthpiece, the organizer, alleges that Rahul Gandhi even claimed full pay, a little under ₹1 lakh, while he was away on holiday. Here are the facts according to the organizer. For 56 days from February 23rd to April 16th this year, while the Parliament was debating important legislation like the budget and the controversial land bill, Mr. Gandhi took a rather sudden hiatus from public life. Section 3 of the Salary Allowances Act that governs what our netas get makes MPs on leave